Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best travel shampoo bottles are probably one of the most essential items for any globetrotter or weekend adventurer, ensuring you can maintain your hair care routine no matter where your journey takes you, from a quick business trip to an extended backpacking expedition across continents, making them an indispensable part of smart packing for modern travelers. Number 5. 4-pack 3-ounce leak-proof travel bottles. Tired of bulky toiletries? Our travel bottles are the perfect solution for packing your favorite liquids. Keep your essentials organized and accessible on the go. Say goodbye to messy spills in your luggage. These containers are designed with a leak-proof seal, ensuring your belongings stay dry and protected. Travel with confidence. Each bottle holds 3 ounces, the ideal size for carry-on luggage and short trips. They are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, lotions, and other travel-sized toiletries. Made from durable materials, these bottles are built to last. Use them for all your adventures, from weekend getaways to extended vacations. They are your reliable travel companions. This set includes multiple bottles, giving you plenty of options for all your personal care items. Streamline your packing and enjoy your journey with everything you need. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying the outdoors, these compact bottles are a must-have. They are designed for convenience and ease of use in any situation. What we like. This set comes with a generous number of containers, perfect for organizing various liquids. If you're looking for a fun and practical solution for family trips or group outings, these are a great choice. They offer plenty of options for everyone's needs. What people say. The 14-pack travel bottles set is an absolute must-have for anyone who frequently travels for business or personal purposes. These TSA-approved containers are a game-changer when it comes to carrying your toiletries and liquids while complying with airport regulations. The leak-proof design of these travel accessories ensures that your precious toiletries stay safely inside the bottles, protecting your luggage from messy spills. The bottles are made of squeezable silicone material, making them incredibly easy to use. The squeezability factor ensures you can get every last drop of your shampoo or lotion, eliminating any product wastage and saving you money in the long run. Number 4. Gemice travel bottles for toiletries. Introducing our revolutionary travel bottles, designed to keep your toiletries secure. Say goodbye to messy leaks and hello to worry-free travel. These perfectly sized containers are TSA approved, making them ideal for your carry-on luggage. They are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these bottles prioritize your safety and the environment. They are safe for all your liquids, including sauces and dressings. The wide opening makes filling and cleaning a breeze, even with thicker liquids. You can easily reach every corner with a cleaning brush. Our innovative no-drip valve ensures you dispense just the right amount every time. Enjoy mess-free application and no wasted product. The unique opal shape ensures no product gets stuck in the corners. This design helps you use every last drop without any waste. What we like. Featuring a unique opal shape, these bottles ensure you get every last drop without any waste. They are also made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone for your safety. If you prioritize minimizing product waste and ensuring safe materials, these are the bottles for you. What people say. They are sturdy and good quality. They hold enough. They squeeze well and they are leak-proof. The 3-layer leak-proof design is like a force field for liquids, protecting your precious cargo from turning your suitcase into a suds-filled disaster zone. The opal shape is pure genius, no more desperate shaking or banging the bottle on your palm to get the last drop out. It's like these bottles majored in efficiency. Number 3. Dot&Dot leak-proof travel bottles. Tired of messy leaks in your luggage? Our travel bottles are designed to keep your toiletries secure and your belongings clean. Enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Navigating airport security is a breeze with these TSA-approved containers. Their compact size makes them perfect for carry-on luggage, saving you time and hassle. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these bottles are built to last. You can refill them again and again, making them an eco-friendly choice for your travel needs. Say goodbye to spills. The advanced leak-proof design ensures that your shampoo, conditioner, or other liquids stay contained. No more worries about ruined clothes or bags. These versatile tubes are perfect for a variety of liquids, from shampoo and conditioner to lotions and gels. They are an essential addition to any traveler's toiletry kit. Keep your toiletries organized with the included labels. Easily identify what's inside each bottle, making your packing and unpacking process much simpler. What we like. These silicone tubes are designed for easy squeezing and dispensing of your toiletries. The inclusion of labels is a fantastic bonus for organization. If you appreciate convenience and clear labeling for quick identification, these are an excellent option for your travel needs. What people say. The bottles are made of soft silicone, making them easy to squeeze. The leak-proof design prevents any spills during travel. They come with labels to help you identify the contents. Number 2. DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, 16-pack. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive set is designed to make your travel experience smoother and more organized. Worry no more about spills and leaks. Our bottles are TSA approved and feature a superior leak-proof design, ensuring your luggage and clothes stay clean and dry throughout your journey. This kit includes everything you need: bottles, jars, sprayers, and even accessories like a funnel and cleaning brush. You can bring a variety of beauty products and cosmetics tailored to your specific needs. Thanks to the wide mouth design, filling and cleaning these containers is a breeze. It's perfect for both thick liquids and easy scrubbing, ensuring hygiene and convenience. The innovative no-drip valve on the cap ensures you dispense just the right amount of product every time. Say goodbye to waste and messy applications. All accessories are neatly packed in a handy bag, making them incredibly lightweight and portable. They fit easily into any small space, saving your toiletry space and perfect for any trip. What we like. This is a comprehensive travel kit offering a wide variety of container types, including bottles, jars, and sprayers, all in a convenient zippered bag. If you need a complete solution for all your cosmetic and toiletry needs in one organized package, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The rubber squeeze tubes are high quality and are really easy to fill. You can squeeze the air out as you use the liquids in there, saving more space. Plenty of container options for all your toiletry needs. Everything is TSA carry-on compliant, 3 ounces or less. TSA compliant clear container, so you don't need a quart-sized Ziploc. Bunch of different peel and stick labels to label what you've got in each container. 2 to 3 ounces squeezables and 2 to 2 ounces squeezables. Perfect for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face cleanser. These tubes are the highest quality items in here. 4 little twist top containers. 2 spray misters. Cleaning brush. They have been perfect for all my travels and have held up so well. Not had any issues with leaking. They hold a good amount of product, also store away and pack easy. The silicone is soft and easy to squeeze, yet sturdy enough for travel. This set has everything I need for travel: shampoo, lotion, conditioner, body wash, and even smaller containers for serums or face creams. The silicone bottles are soft, squeezable, and completely leak-proof, which gives me total peace of mind when packing. I love that everything is TSA approved, so I can take them in my carry-on without worrying at airport security. The labels and clear bag make it super easy to stay organized. The design is practical and high quality, no flimsy caps or messy spills like other brands I've tried. Number 1. INSFIT Portable Travel Bottles, 4-pack. Tired of bulky toiletries? Our portable bottles are designed for your convenience, making packing a breeze. Never worry about spills again. These containers are TSA approved and completely leak-proof, ensuring your belongings stay dry. Your health is important. Made from BPA-free materials, you can confidently store your shampoo, body wash, and other liquids. Reduce waste and save money. These refillable bottles are perfect for all your travel-sized essentials. Whether it's shampoo, conditioner, or body wash, these versatile containers are ideal for any liquid you need on the go. This convenient 4-pack ensures you have enough space for all your travel needs. Grab yours and travel with ease. What we like. These containers are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring the safety of your liquids. They are designed to be easily refillable, making them a sustainable choice. If you are looking for safe, reusable, and straightforward travel bottles, these are a solid pick. What people say. Perfect size for a trip with no leakage problems. The handy bag it comes in really helps as well. They're flying friendly and easy to use. They have a good seal on them and product doesn't leak. Easy to use. I needed something to use in my shower because I purchased those giant size shampoo and hair products from HSN and those things take up too much space in my shower area, but these bottles are the perfect size and look cute too. Have not had any issues with the design and no leaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.